installment of the Product Feature Awareness Program. You know the drill at this point. You asked for new features and we listened. This month we're announcing 4 new enhancements to AkkenCloud. And for the first of 2 client-focused enhancements, we've introduced the ability for Akken users to create invoices by and email the billing contact on assignments. This works in conjunction with the selections made in the Bill To tab of your invoice templates. So here I'm going to show you how that works. First, you'll need to ensure that a billing contact has been selected from the billing information section of the appropriate assignments. To create invoices by the billing contact and assignment, you would go to Accounting, Customers, Create Invoices, which is where I am right now. And from the Create Invoices by drop-down, you would change this to Billing Contact of the assignment. When you do this, you'll notice that a column opens up for the billing contact assignment, which can then be filtered and sorted. But first I need to select my location, department, and the date range that's applicable, and then click on View. That will change the view down below to enable me to create invoices by the billing contact. And here they are right here in that new column that's been added. The invoice is visible in this screen, and the information that appears in the Bill To section on an invoice. So for instance, if I open up one of these invoices, the Bill To section right here, that information works in conjunction with the selections that you make in the Bill To tab of your invoice templates. So here in the Create Invoices screen, this Create Edit Invoice Template button, if I go into one of my templates here, I'll use my default, and I go to the Bill To tab, this information right here is what is working in conjunction with the creating invoices by billing contact and assignment. So these selections will control that. So to check on that, this is where you go. And there is a note you can see right here that invoices generated using billing contact assignment will display the below field values from the assignment record, meaning these 4 billing options on the right. All other invoice generation options will display the below field values from the customer record. So all these customer checkboxes will be if you are creating your invoices by all of the other previously available options: customer, employee, billing address, and PO number. Okay, so whenever you're generating the invoices, the system will save the type, in this example, create invoices by billing contact and assignment option that was used upon generation. So if I go ahead and generate an invoice, that is going to move the invoice to my Deliver Invoices section. And then I'm going to need to go into Accounting, Customers, Deliver Invoices. Here's my invoice ready for delivery, and when I go ahead and deliver it, that is then going to move it to my invoices history. Now from Accounting, Customers, Invoices History, which I'm going to right now, we have added a download icon. So as part of this feature enhancement, there's now a download icon right here for all of your invoices, allowing you to download each invoice. As you can see, it says right here on the screen, timesheets, expenses, and their attachments in one zip file. So when you click on this icon for any one of these invoices, your system will give you an option to either open or save that zip file. To email your invoices, and this is part of the new billing contact on assignment feature. When you're emailing your invoices, you would go ahead and select an invoice or more than one invoice, and I'm going to show you 2 different examples here. So if I were to select this invoice 59 right here and email, choose what I want to send, and then it's going to show me right here, invoices generated using billing contact assignment. So it saves that information, and it knows that you're going to be sending, unless you send to just yourself, to the billing contact on the assignment in one of these 2 options right here. Okay. if you choose invoices that were generated by different means to email together, then you'll have additional options. So for instance, if I choose both of these invoices, one generated by one of the older options and one generated by that new option of billing, contact, and assignment, and I click email and make my selection here of what I want to send, now I have the option for the invoice that was generated using one of these options here, customer, employee, etc. I can send to myself and the customer or the customer only, and then I can also send the invoice that was generated using the billing contact on the assignment to that billing contact. So there's two different methodologies at work here. So in this example, number 50, invoice 50 was generated using the customer, and number 59 was generated using the billing contact on the assignment. In addition, we have also expanded the invoice email process to include a CC or carbon copy option, giving you the ability to email a single invoice and distribute to your accountants. So for example, if I select an invoice here to email and make my options, now I have a CC field right here in which I can add as many recipients as I want, separated by a comma. Okay, so those are the new features as part of the creating and emailing invoices using billing, contact, and assignments. These enhancements offer additional levels of flexibility, saving time, and improving your workflow.